open it up and press it down. And that's what you don't want to do. Alright, so I'm finishing up the Trunnion kit that I started yesterday. It's going to be the reverse of taking it apart. You're still going to use the same sockets and press it. So that's how we're going to do it today. I already did 2 rockers. As y'all can see, it goes a whole 360 motion, and they got the lock washers on both sides. They keep it secured. And I have 14 more to go. I already put the caps on one side. Now I just got to put the Trunnion in the middle. And y'all see I'm in the kitchen with it, cause bro, it's too cold outside. Gonna press that out. Boom. And take other caps. We're gonna go ahead and press this out. And when you're doing this, it's going to be some letters on here. You want to make sure it's always pointing up towards the press or towards the sky. Push this on there. Put this right here. We're going to go ahead and take our washer that they gave us to make sure everything is flush. We're going to go ahead and push that on top. And then we're going to go ahead and press it. Press it down. Now both of the caps is in. The washer put on this side. Snap ring on this side with it. Like, I hate putting these snap rings on, bruh. Like, it's not difficult, but it's like, it's not it at the same time. I'm gonna use these ones. Open it up a little bit. And do it like that. And it's on. Y'all should have heard that snap. Then we're going to do the same for the other side. The washer on, snap ring. Hold it down with my thumb on one side. And then get the pliers to open it up and press it down. And then that's what you don't want to do. So I got to find out where that joint went at. I think it's right here, because it still got oil on it. Like, when I tell you, bro, these joints is the most difficult things to put on, bro. And it's not like it's hard, it's just not it. Up a little bit more. And we're in there. So there's 3. We're gonna repeat the same process for the rest of the 13 that we gotta do. And yeah, so I just finished all of these Trunnions. All of them are intact, burn freely, no grinding or anything. This is my first attempt doing these as well. Just double check to make sure all of the rings I pressed flushed against that washer. I did overextend one of the snap rings, but thankfully they sent an extra one in there. If they didn't, I would have been there so well. But they sent an extra snap ring with 2 of these extra washers. So just in case something happens, then you have something to fall back on. But if you mess up twice, then maybe you need to stop eating your Wheaties in the morning. I mean, overall, it was fairly easy to do. I don't have no complaints. Just another service that I can, you know, provide in the future, or you know, just save you some money. Like, it ain't that hard. All you need is the press, the sockets, and then the snap ring pliers, and that's pretty much it. But hey, it's done. Everything looks good. And like I said, the next video that I'm gonna end up showing you all is me probably going to the shop, picking up the heads, and then putting them on the motor. So that's gonna be one less step that we have to worry about. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video. If y'all have any questions, feel free to just comment down below. Let me know whatever questions y'all have, any recommendations, suggestions. Like I told y'all, I'm an open book, man. I'm always looking to learn. I'm not perfect. I'm new to this racing life, so hey, just keep me updated on everything. Right now.